Changes RC and boost, boogies taking flights. Skill set dedicated when it comes to soaring high.
G'day guys, what's going on? Ange here again. So as you can see, I've got the Kraton out. It's all fixed up because I broke the rear diff on it, and I'm at a new location. So brand new BMX track out here. Gonna see how we go with it. So yeah, we've got a nice 4S battery in there, 6,500 milliamp Z powered battery. Everything's still stock standard on this. A little bit dirty, a little bit broken on the body, stuff like that. But that's all the fun about it. So yeah, let's get this going and see how we go on this track. All right, so I'm probably not gonna start from up here. So I don't know if you can see the gradient of the slope. They're pretty awesome tracks. Like the slope is very good, and as you come up here, it's got a really nice nice ramp up. But I'm gonna have to probably stand in the middle of both, because if I stand over there, I won't be able to see the car over there. Then right at the end there is a bowl, so we'll see how we go with that later on. They've done a really nice job with the track. Nice. So I'll just do a few jumps, just some small ones, just to get used to it. Oh, broke my wing already. Oh yeah, wonderful. Look at that. Oh, I jammed it underneath the body. There we go. All right. So yes, I'm gonna need a new wing on that one. I also did forget to mention, I did change the steering servo to a metal steering servo. It's a GPM one. So we're gonna see how we go with that as well. Nice. There is a nice ramp up from all the way up there. Lovely, really nice. I've got a bit of a ramp up here that might be able to work. Get some bigger jumps going. Dive that one. Dug it straight in. Oh, jeez. Really, just if you nosedive this thing, mate, it just takes chunks out of. Oh wow, look at that. Lucky we got that front bull bar on there. I don't know if you can see how deep that is, but man, that is just taking a nice dig at that ground there. Yeah, if you don't land this flat, you'll end up digging potholes all over this. Oh yeah, a bit hard on that one. Oh, body slam. Just caught that one just in time. Oh, took another one out. All right, let's try to do some backflips. See how we go. No, not that one. Come off a bit crooked on the ramp. Oh, right on the top. That's what I mean, you just haven't got the space from there to here to get it right. Like, you can't be doing some big jumps, but look at the chunk that's taken out of that. And I can't even get up here. Oh, I'm about to slip. There goes my keys. Oh, I have to go around the side. These Kratons, they're super tough. Like I said, like, it's got that front bumper, no damage yet. Everything's pretty solid. Let's keep going. Ooh, we've got some nice, probably launch it off this. Wonder what that's going to be like. Gonna have to try that. Nice. It's all about the control. Lovely. Oh, got on the throttle too high. Oh, I think my battery has come out. Let's have a look. Battery's still plugged in. What's going on here? Oh, that's getting really hot. Those cables, wow, they are hot as. They're really warm. That's just cut out again. No power, no steering. All right, let's take off this body again, see what's going on. All right, so, oh, that ESC is super hot. Wow, that is really hot. And I'm running the fan. That motor, that is hot too, but man, these cables, man, they are on fire. Oh, they are really warm. This side of the battery is fine, because they do run the thicker cables for the XT90, and then I'm converting it to an XT60, which this is where I think my trouble is. So even though this thing says 4S, man, this thing is just super hot. I wonder if you know, if you could answer me some questions in the comments, that'd be helpful. But I'm guessing it might be because my milliamp, well, you know, my milliamp power is literally my fuel tank. I think I'm just running this too long, or I probably just need a bigger ESC. But man, that is super hot. Won't even power on anymore. I reckon it's just overheated. Let's have a look. Oh, that plug is melted too. Damn, that is not good. Oh, okay, this isn't good. This plug, oh, look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see it. That has actually melted. That is my XT60 connector to my XT90, and the positive has actually melted. Wow. Okay, this isn't good. This is something we're gonna have to have a look at, because looking at these cables from here, from there to there, it looks like they're nearly the same thickness here, coming out of the ESC, or coming into the ESC, but then here they seem thinner. But this is stock standard. But that's not hot anymore. But man, that is like, yeah, that connector is just gone. I wonder if I'm gonna just have to change this to an XT90, get rid of this. So I've got a few things that I need to problem solve on this, but I'm not going to run this anymore. Battery's got a slight warmth on it, but like I said before, that ESC is just cooking. That motor, that's hot too, really hot. I might just have to lower the milliamp running time on this and just make it maybe just a 4000, just so there's just shorter time, shorter play time. But yeah, man, that is just super hot. I have never felt them like that before. They're cooled down now, but that ESC is just still going. So let's have a look at this. So if I turn that on, so as soon as I move the cable, yep, I've got connection issues here. I reckon the solder has come off the little connector. The last thing I need is to jump between, but I've got some nice heat shrink in there. We're gonna have to fix this up, guys. So that's gonna be it for this one. But like I said, guys, this was pretty fun where it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll get at my other cars, but they'll be in another video. But yeah, that's going to be it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave some comments below. Tell me what you think it might be, if you've got any questions about it. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.